Boston Ripping Rollers. Going to check the birds out with Stella Kid. Come on, Stella. Hey. No. Come on. Come on. Hey. Get. Come on. Get in there. Drive me crazy, dog. Let me get her in the house. She'll knock me over. She's too big of a dog to be having jump on you. Okay, Boston Ripping Rollers going to check out the birds again. My crazy dog. I had to put her in when she gets excited like that. She likes to jump and bump into you. She'll knock you over. She weighs 120 pounds. I was just out here a little while ago. I fed the breeders and they can feed the babies. I got my kit birds flying. If it turns out to be a better day, I'll fly them today. They're not really doing anything. I got them outside going roof to roof right now. Got a lot of youngsters now. Almost everybody has youngsters or eggs. Youngster there, baby under them, yellow and white, egg under them, two yellows in the corner. I don't know what they are, what color they're gonna be. Babies on the floor, chasing the parents. Two little whites there. Two little black and whites over here. I got a little grayish bird up there. The lavenders have eggs again. See what they are. And they hatch. The models. The almond and the yellow have eggs again. Let's see what we got here. So I got the birds up now. At least they're out of the coop. I put in the trap door. Not that good of a trap door, but it works. I just got a piece of screen up there and I bent it up a little. So, yeah, it's working. They can come in and not go back out. And then I gotta start breaking these in. I got three youngsters here. This is the almond in here in the corner, a lavender, and I think that's an indigo. The indigo and the almond from the almond pair, and the lavenders from the lavender pair. You got an egg on the floor there. That blue check hurt her foot somewhere. So I put her in here instead of being in there with all the cockbirds jumping her. I got her right out of there. I gotta clean that. These kit boxes need to be cleaned. Maybe I'll clean them today. Everything else is pretty clean. I threw a few more milk crates in here for these two pair. And I threw 4 milk crates over here for these pairs. Let's see what happens. And some dog dishes I'm using as nest bowls. But, you know, that's about the size of it right now. But I'm so glad I got the birds up. I got to May 25th. I get them up in the air, flying. I hope they start kitting. And I can get them up off the bird coop. But one day at a time. That's all I can do. Should put a screw in that. All right, Boston Ripping Rollers signing out. Everybody have a nice day.